Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday morning, May 1st, still stuck in our houses, market webcast. So, daily chart, and what you see here is after the rejection from 29.65, we've come right back down to 28.42 to test the 9-day. You see the 9-day now, the 50. So some of these areas we were dealing with back on Monday, we're back to dealing with on Friday. So let's go right to the hourly chart. So 29.65, we fail. We drop through the pre-FOMC price at 29.35. It progresses pretty steadily down, choppy, lousy little afternoon. Gaps down, tests the 28.80 area, which we discussed last night in the evening webcast, and then got particularly weak, couldn't get over the top of it, and it's been dancing on either side of the 9-day for most of the night. It's about 8:54 as I'm taping this, so we got about a half an hour until we open. I'll be interested to see if the 9-day wants to hold it. If it does, if it can get back over the top of the hourly mid-band, which is currently 65 and dropping. If we go deep, then you've got to deal with the 50, which is at 16. Weekly pivots underneath at 28.06. We have a brand new monthly pivot that comes in way down at 27.57. Just keep that in your back pocket for next week or the week after if we continue to head lower. Eventually it's a number that if it continues lower, that price will magnetize towards it. Not today. Today's about the 9-day. Today's about whether the bears can continue to take advantage of this break of the hourly midband and whether the 50 and the weekly pivot want to come back into play. All right, so pretty short and sweet this morning. So off the open, volume weighted average price is 28.52. The proprietary moving average is sitting at 44, so just above. We're just jammed up in this 42 area. I'm flat right now. We did a nice little long last night, did about 7 handles on it, and then it couldn't do any more. The short didn't really reveal itself, and we called it a night, and it went deeper as it went later in the night, but we don't sit here and stare at the thing 24/7. I don't recommend anybody do that because you will go absolutely batshit. And if you're not feeling it, if you're tired, take a break. We traded a ton last month. We had a great month. We've had a great week. So we'll see how this thing wants to trade today. If it wants to give us some nice directional trades, we'll take them. If it wants to be a chop show, we won't do much today. The week's over. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. There will be more stuff out on social. If you have not watched the evening webcast from last night, please do so. This weekend, we've got a couple of webinars coming out. One out of the archives. I hadn't decided what that's going to be yet. And then a replay of our free webinar from this Tuesday. So check that out. If you're looking for something to do this weekend, and I think we're all looking for stuff to do, bone up on a couple of things. The consistency in trading webinar is a really broad brush that can help you whether you're just starting out or whether you've been trading this stuff for a long time. We got a lot of good feedback on that. All right, take care, be safe, be healthy, trade them well. I'll talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.